Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPad is updated and has space for new widgets. This avoids stalls. Once done, long press any empty area on the home screen until icons jiggle. This is jiggle mode. Now look to the top left and tap the plus button to open the widgets gallery. You're initiating the process now so you can pick a widget. Don't leave the gallery until you've chosen the size you want. You'll see multiple apps and smart stacks. Swipe to locate the one you need and review the live preview. Next, decide size, small, medium, or large. Because size affects information density and layout, choose based on how much glanceable data you want. After that, either drag the widget to the exact spot or tap Add Widget to place it automatically. Make sure to position it near related apps so your workflow stays organized and accessible. Once placed, you should customize the widget by long pressing it and choosing Edit Widget to set accounts, lists, or sources. This tailors the data you'll see. After adjusting, exit jiggle mode by tapping Done or pressing Home. Make sure icons sit where you expected. If the widget fails to update or won't add, restart your iPad, check app permissions, or remove and re-add the widget. This usually resolves syncing or display errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.